In this video I am going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in HP DeskJet 2855E all-in-one printer. This printer uses HP 67 black and color ink cartridge. So first step is to take the ink cartridge out of the plastic packaging. Next step is to switch on the printer and we have to open the ink chamber. You will see this is the paper output tray. So if you open it, behind this you will see there is another door. You just have to pull it out and it will open the ink chamber. Wait for the ink cartridges to move. Now press the ink cartridge down and take it out. Take the new ink cartridge. So the black will go first here. Slide it in and hold the printer with the other hand and push the finger. So push this ink cartridge inside. You will hear a lock sound and then close the ink chamber. So that's the way we can replace the ink cartridges, and you can also check the estimated level of ink on the display panel. Thanks for watching.